What if the biggest thing standing between you and the life you want is not failure, bad luck, or lack of talent? What if it's the voice in your head telling you you're not good enough, you're not ready? What if you fail? That voice has stopped dreams, destroyed confidence, and convinced millions of capable people to quit before they even begin. But today, we are exposing the lie self doubt wants you to believe. And by the end of this video, you will never look at fear the same way again. Welcome, everyone. Imagine a child learning to walk. The child falls once, twice, falls 10 times. Yet, nobody says, maybe walking isn't for you. Everyone expects the child to keep trying until they succeed. Failure is not proof that you should stop. It is proof that you are learning. Self-doubt is a thief. It doesn't break into your house and steal your money. It sneaks into your mind and steals your potential. It convinces talented people they are average. It convinces capable people they are unqualified. It convinces future winners to quit before the race even starts. Remember the story of Thomas Edison we talked about in our last video, who reportedly tested thousands of materials before creating a practical electric light bulb. Instead of seeing failure as reasons to quit, he viewed them as lessons. Think about this. The business owner you once admired once doubted themselves. The speaker who inspires millions once shook with fear before speaking. The successful entrepreneur once wondered if anyone would buy from them. The difference is simple. They acted while doubt was talking. Imagine standing at the edge of a swimming pool. You can spend hours analyzing the water, reading books about swimming, and watching videos about swimming. But eventually, swimming only requires a jump into the pool. Many dreams die because people keep waiting for confidence. Self-doubt will always try to whisper reasons why you can't. Confidence is not the ticket that gets you started. Action is. Confidence grows when you take action despite the doubt. Every time you act despite fear, you send your brain a message: I am stronger than my doubt. And eventually, self-doubt becomes quieter while confidence becomes louder. The next chapter of your life doesn't need a perfect version of you. It needs the brave version of you. Don't let a temporary feeling make a permanent decision about your future. Your dream deserves a chance. Your talent deserves expression. And the world deserves the gift that only you can bring. Remember, you don't need to know everything before you start. You don't need everyone's approval. You don't need perfect conditions. You only need the courage to take the next step. Believe in yourself, not because you have all the answers, but because you are capable of learning, growing, and overcoming whatever stands in your way. Before you go, remember this: you do not need perfect confidence to begin. You only need the courage to take the next step. If this message spoke to you, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who may need this encouragement, and follow Freedom 368 for more content that informs, empowers, and elevates. And if you are ready to grow beyond fear and self-doubt, check the description below. We've included links to helpful books and materials that can support your journey towards confidence, growth, and personal success. Until next time, feed your mind, fuel your future. Thank you.